Hi guys, we're back again with another POV tour. This is a raw and unedited tour of the houses that we are selling in my area of focus. Again, this is Arman Cruz. I'm a licensed real estate broker, and today we're in Sonoma, Santa Rosa, Laguna to feature this 4-bedroom house here that is very sulit po in terms of the price. Actually, sobrang tamang-tama lang po ng presyo niya. Padaanin ko lang yung van. So, let me just tour you the facade. This is the facade of the property. It's Asian contemporary. Actually, this is the same builder as the one na property in South Peak. So, if you haven't seen that and you would like to see their, siguro partly yung mga finishes nila, you can check out the video. I will leave the link on the description box and sa comment section. So this property sits in a lot area of 150 square meters, 191.1 na floor area. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. You have your kitchen, you have your living, dining, and also ang difference na nito dun sa property na sa South Peak na na-feature ko before, wala siyang maid's room because of the restrictions here in Sonoma, naging limited po yung design. Hindi sila nakagawa ng maid's room, pero meron naman siyang ground floor bedroom. So, it depends on the one buying kung ano nang gagawin nila. So, let's tour you around. So, itong nasa left side natin will be your carport. This will, ang sukat po niya is good for 2 cars. And then, ang finish po nito will have its own gate already. So, you don't have to think about it anymore. So, as we enter, as you can see, ginagawa pa lang siya. The house is currently 80% constructed, and then dito sa ating carport will be yung ating septic tank. Kitang-kita po. Ang maganda po with my POV tours, nakikita niyo po yung ongoing construction. So you have an idea kung ano bang naging itsura ng bahay before it was finished. Kasi yun yung concern po pag when you're buying a new house, yun na po nakita kung paano kino-construct. So as we enter, this is your foyer leading to your living area. So ito po yung living area natin. It's a good size na rin. Tama-tama, you can put a TV there. You can put a sofa here. And then as you notice, ito na po yung ceiling natin. So meron na tayong idea of how it would look like. So dito sa ating living area, meron siyang cove. Pero all throughout, almost siguro 80% ng ating living and also dining will be flat po yung ceiling niya. So, and then right across our living area would be yung ating dining area. So for the dining area, you know what I like about this builder? Malaki siya mag-dining area. So typically, kasya po yung 6-seater or even yung 8-seater. Dun sa South Peak, siguro up to 10-seater. Pero this one is very nice. You have a space so that you can put a long table if you have a big family. And then you have a big size mirror. Most probably, this will be 4 panels na sliding glass door. Depende. So that would be subject to change. Okay, tuloy lang kayo, bossing. So ito po yung ating kitchen. Nahiya na sila. And then meron tayong overhead cabinets dyan. May counter tayo dyan dito. So parang may breakfast nook. And then meron tayong counter din doon. So dito rin po yung ating first bedroom, first toilet and bath. So may sink, may shower, meron din siyang toilet. And then dito naman yung first bedroom of the house. This is a good size already. Can be an office, can be a guest room, can be a study room, can be a man cave, depending on what you like. So, akyat tayo sa second floor. Hindi ko na muna papakita yung labas. Thank you po, thank you. Yan, so akyat tayo. So, kindly comment down below if you have suggestions dito sa aking POV tour. I'm trying to keep it raw and natural and walang editing at all. Kahit simula hanggang dulo, wala talagang editing. So, welcome to the second floor. You know what? I like the second floor kasi meron siyang landing na malaki. So, you have this space here na pwede ka maglagay ng, siguro if you're a Catholic or you would like to have a prayer area, pwede ka maglagay ng prayer area dito, pwedeng study area, office, and then you have space there to put cabinets pa for your linens. It depends. Ang dami mong pwedeng gawin dito sa malaking hallway na to dito sa second floor. Now, another thing that I like about this property would be yung malaking mirror dito sa may staircase natin. So it allows the natural light to come in. Now this one, actually, the property I think is not directly facing east and not directly facing south. Medyo ano po siya eh. I think it's southeast kasi nasa gilid. So right now, I'm shooting this at 9:30 in the morning. The sun is on this side. So this is east side. So most probably ito yung north. So medyo southeast siya. Okay? Southeast yung orientation niya. So if you're particular with that, at least you know it already. So as we move, first bedroom, this is a very good size bedroom actually. One of the bigger sizes in the market for this price range. So by the way, for the price, you can check out the description, or you can always contact us in the contact information posted on the comment section. So nandyan lang po yan. So very big. Meron po siyang provision for your split type air conditioning. So meron na po tayong energy source. And then dito po sa gilid, we'll have a cabinet. It's a good size cabinet, good for siguro one person or 1.5. Okay, so medyo mas malaki siya. So ito naman po yung ating toilet. Now you know what? Isang characteristic po ng builder na to, they like big toilets. So if you're a fan of big toilets, this is a property for you. So this will have a sink, you have your toilet, you have your shower. Now as to the inclusions of the maybe glass enclosure, I have to double check pa. Kasi that is subject to change depending, kasi it's still ongoing construction. So this is the second bedroom. Slightly smaller, pero still a good size. Yung both bedrooms natin sa second floor, kasya po yung queen size bed guys. Or kahit king size bed, tapos may cabinet ka pa dyan sa gilid. So talagang good size na siya. And then here we are in the master's bedroom. So for the master's bedroom, as we enter, on the left side, will be our walk-in closet. So ito may cabinets na to and may shelves na to. And as you can see sa taas, naka-cove na rin siya. And then may lighting na rin siya. So ang ganda siya tignan. Yan, so may cove na rin siya. It's very spacious, ma-maximize nyo to, especially for ladies na maraming gamit or maraming bags, pwedeng-pwede siya. And then this is your full master's bedroom. This is actually a good size. Kasya po ang ating king size bed. You can even put a office nook, small office table here. Maybe you can put a sofa. Depends, kasya pa po siya. And then right beside the door will be yung master's toilet and bath. Now the master's toilet and bath, again, it's also spacious, much bigger than the secondary bedroom, secondary toilet and bath, second floor. Mas wider po siya. So if you're the type na gusto mo medyo spacious talaga yung toilet mo, this is the property for you. I suggest that you check it out. I know na you wouldn't appreciate it as much because it's still being constructed. Pero this is actually very good at its price. Right now, it's selling at 16.8 million. That's really good for the price right now for a 4-bedroom house na 2 carport. Pwedeng-pwede na po siya, especially in Sonoma. Kasi ang Sonoma po, it's right at the back of Solinad Malls, New Valley. So, ito naman po yung ating balcony. The balcony is spacious also. Napakaluwag po niya. Ayan po. So, if you have questions, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the description box. Diyan yan sa baba or sa comment section. Alam ko maraming naliligaw or maraming tatanong ng presyo. We always post the price on the comment section or on the description box kasi nagbabago po siya. It differs. Hindi po namin kontrolado yung price increases or yung price decreases ng mga owners. So talagang we suggest that you inquire from us. Okay? So huwag kayong magagalit sa akin. Pero sometimes din, syempre, minsan busy tayo, hindi natin ma-update. I really suggest that you contact us, especially sa Viber and WhatsApp. I answer faster there. Sa Facebook naman po, sumasagot doon yung assistant ko. So yun na po. See you sa next BOU tour natin. Bye!